On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And yesterday we actually went inside of our contract and I showed you how we set things up. Today we're going to read over some light read and go over the next steps inside of our contract. So note, this one deploy our contract using a boa.load partial. So what we can do is we can store in the variable like this. We'll say favorites deploy equals boa.load partial, and we'll pass in that parameter of favorites.vi, which is our contract file. Then we could do something like this. We'll say favorites contract equals favorites deploy it dot at my contract. Now, once again, we'll be using our favorite number by calling the favorites contract dot retrieve function, which will look like this. Favorites number equals favorites contract dot retrieve. Lastly, we'll print out the favorite number by printing out the favorite number variable where it is stored by using an F statement. This will look like this. We'll say print F statement favorite number is, and we'll pass in that parameter of favorite number, which is holding our favorite number. So what this script is going to do is it is going to allow us to call this function and get our favorite number without actually having to deploy it. Like I explained to you yesterday, we're not fully deploying the contract. We just want to load the information from it without having to incur a transaction. So at this point, we'll run our script to ensure that everything is working correctly. Note, we will still be using the Anvil terminal, and we must make sure that the address that we use to deploy our favorites.py or the deploy favorites.py contract file is the same address that we use inside our interact.py contract file. Now, this is the created contract address we'll be using. This is the current one I'm using right now, and we're not actually deploying this contract, so it is an outdated address. I'll probably have to deploy it again, generate a new address, and pass that into the interact.py file. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi, and you guys stay Gucci.